future tense.
What are you going to do tonight?
I am going to the mall with my mom. I will finish the homework by this weekend.
I will finish the homework by tomorrow.
Do you have any plans for summer vacation?
Yes, I do. I am going to visit my grandparents. When will you start the work?
I will start the work in an hour.
Grammar tips. Tips for future tense and will.
When we want to talk about the future, we use will and be verb going to. Will is one of the helping verbs. It doesn't change the form, regardless of the subject.
Examples.
Here are some examples. When will you help him? The verb help stays the same. Will means the future. He will call you later. Will is the future. The call will happen later. I will meet her soon. Will they play soccer tomorrow? Mike will not make the decision in an hour. Or, Mike won't make the decision in an hour.
Right and wrong.
Now for the right and wrong section. Do you will follow his decision? When talking about the future, will comes first for the question. The correct sentence is, will you follow his decision? The next one says, I see her next month. We need will to talk about the future, which is next month. The correct sentence is, I will see her next month. The next one says, what do you do tomorrow? Do is not correct. We are talking about the future. We need the word will. The correct sentence is, what will you do tomorrow?
Grammar tips. Tips for be verb going to.
Will and be verb going to talk about the future. Be verb going to is used more to express a plan. The rule is am, are, is plus going to plus base verb. If you want to make it negative, not comes after be verbs.
Examples.
Here are some examples. I am going to visit her house tomorrow. You have the be verb am with going to. That tells the future. He is going to spend his vacation in France. This is telling us his plan for the future. When are you going to meet John? Are they going to drive across the country? I'm not going to see her tonight.
Right and wrong.
Look at the right and wrong section. The first one says, is he going work for the store? We need to put to with going. The correct sentence is he going to work for the store? Look at the second one. She's go to teach the students next semester. We need ing with go. The correct sentence is she's going to teach the students next semester. And the last one says, do they going to watch the movie? With going to, we need the be verb. We use are. Are they going to watch the movie?
Grammar tips. Tips for be verbs plus coming, going, leaving, starting.
Be verb coming, be verb going, be verb leaving, be verb starting all express the near future.
Examples.
Here are some examples. I am going to the bank. This means they are not in the bank now. They will be there in the near future. I am leaving for Seoul. So I am not in Seoul now. He's coming. That means he's not here yet, but he will be soon.
Quiz.
Circle the right word. I go to, am going to visit the town next week. We are talking about the future, so we use am going to. I am going to visit the town next week. Tom isn't going to, doesn't be going to the town. We need to use a be verb, so we pick isn't going to. Tom isn't going to the town. Are you going to? Do you going to buy fish at the supermarket? The correct answer is, are you going to buy fish at the supermarket?
Write a future tense sentence using the words
We move next week. One answer could be, we are going to move next week. Another one can be, we will move next week. For the other ones, you can decide which to use, will or going to. He finish by 9 o'clock. My sentence is, he will finish by 9 o'clock. Mary visit next month. My sentence is, Mary will visit next month. My parents go this weekend. My sentence is, my parents will go this weekend. I see tomorrow. My sentence is, I will see you tomorrow. They build next winter. My sentence is, they are going to build a snowman next winter.
Quiz.
Circle the correct sentence.
A. His team will have a basketball game this Friday. B. His team will have a basketball game this Friday. The word will should not have an S. So the answer is A. A. We will build a bench. B. We will going to build a bench. You do not use going to with will. The answer is A. We will build a bench. A. When you will go to the zoo. B. When will you go to the zoo? The word will should come before the word you. The answer is B. When will you go to the zoo? A. Don't worry, you will be okay. B. Don't worry, you are going to okay. The answer is A. Don't worry, you will be okay. In B, the word be should be after to. Find the mistake and correct it. We will be Miss Frank. Here, there should be no be. The answer is, we will miss Frank. How you will solve the problem. Will should be before you in question form. The answer is, how will you solve the problem? I will tell, not a lie. The answer is, I will not tell a lie. Harry will move to another town next month. There should be no S on the verb move. Harry will move to another town next month. What will you going to buy? The verb is going. There is no be verb are. The correct answer is, what are you going to buy? It will be rainy tomorrow. There should be no S on the word will. The correct answer is, it will be rainy tomorrow. Make a sentence using the words below. The first one says, the zoo, Tom and Emily, going to, next weekend, are. The sentence is, Tom and Emily are going to the zoo next weekend. Look at the second one. Will, they, many, animals, see. They will see many animals. See, Tom, wants to, bears, especially. Tom especially wants to see bears. Hippos, especially, wants to see Emily. The sentence is, Emily especially wants to see hippos. Lunch, will, have, in, a restaurant, they. They will have lunch in a restaurant. And the last one. They have time, will, nice. They will have a nice time.